What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works. Today I'm heading to Paul's shop. I've gone there a couple of times in the videos. If you guys don't know him, he wrapped my bumpers and he wraps cars, so he's local to Oxnard. If you guys want to hit him up to do tints, wraps, stuff like that, I'll leave it right here, the wrap source. But we're heading to him because he's gonna make me a custom banner, because I was thinking about making a custom banner just for the team to separate us from the regular banners that we have for everyone else, just to stand out a little bit more. So I'm taking some leftover wrap that I have, which is right here, and he's gonna be doing some stuff for me. So hopefully you guys like it, hopefully I like it, because it's gonna be pretty dope. And we're just pulling up right now, so hopefully he's here so we can get that done. We just left Paul's shop. Shout out to Paul, because it did come out really fucking nice, and honestly I didn't know it was gonna be that much of an impact on the sun, but it's way better in here, to be honest with you. And obviously it doesn't sacrifice visibility, because what are you gonna look at, planes? Now that we got this thing done, comment down below if you like this setup or just the regular banners, because we wanted to keep those banners for, you know, our subscribers and our fans, and keep fucking tablets, man,
freaking TVs,
freaking Androids,
and cars.
We wanted to keep those for the subscribers, and then have our custom ones with our color of wrap, or even color of car if we can find, you know, an equivalent. But for now, we're just gonna go back to the house, and
well, we still have to show them too what it looks like.
Yeah, we're gonna show you guys, but we also have a big surprise for you guys. It's gonna be fucking sick. This is how it looks in the outsides.
Looks so good, huh?
It does look really nice. I really like the contrast between the black and the gloss cream.
I thought it would be too. It looks good.
It does look really good. Stephanie approved.
Alright guys, so it is time to reveal the wheels that I got for the Miata. And we decided not to open them because we did want to open it with you guys. We did want to make it extra special. So, are you guys ready? Alright.
We haven't opened them. Whoa, we're getting too excited.
They want to know what it is.
I want to open it.
They're my wheels. I can open it.
We didn't actually open them to see them, just because we want to show you guys and surprise ourselves
just
too.
As much as we want to surprise you. So, let's see. Ooh.
So many Hot Boys.
White wheels?
I don't know about this.
Can I take that off?
Yeah. You want to take that off too, huh? Okay. I'd rather run it with this one, not because they're reps, okay?
No, not because
Don't feel sad, okay?
No. Reps is life. I like them. What do you think?
I think they look dope. They're like a T37 Meta Chinese company, and Meta deep dish, and just had babies, and this is the result with an extra spoke.
What do you guys think? I want to know what you guys think.
I think they agree with me.
For the time it's gonna be red, it's gonna look really good until you have the wrap. These
wheels are 15 by 8, and are the offset +0?
Yeah.
Yeah, so they should be right in the middle of the wheel, so it's a pretty good offset for a Miata, and it's not gonna be too aggressive. We were looking at 16s. We were looking at so much different wheels. So many different wheels. We don't have tires for them yet, obviously, but we're gonna try them all on the Miata, and we're gonna see how it looks. Scared.
Me too.
You're scared, not me. Now that the stock wheel is off, we're gonna be trying on this wheel. It does have two different bolt patterns. So as you can see, it does sit. It sits flush, or a little bit over. But honestly, that's really nice because if you see how when she's going over a bump, it's obviously gonna camber in. So honestly, this is a perfect setup, especially if she gets thin tires and then has them stretched, because it's gonna be perfect for this to clear. We might have to roll the fenders, but honestly,
it looks pretty good.
Yeah, the fitment looks pretty nice. The coilovers have been hanging in there pretty. Ooh, the boot rib. The coilovers have been hanging in there pretty good, but damn, this is gonna be so sick, especially when it finally has tires. You need to get tires right now.
I don't need them.
Yeah, you do.
Just kidding.
Oh, wait. We don't mess with Yeah. This is Stephanie's biggest struggle on cars, putting on wheels. Watch. Ready? Come here.
It doesn't fit at all.
Come here. Look at it. Got this. Look at that. Like, watch. Lube Tech do the work.
Okay, I can put yours on, but
yeah. Okay.
You can't even put them on. Jeez.
They're different. This is not for the right wheel.
Really? No. Shut up.
No, it's just different bolt pattern. You have to figure out which bolt pattern you're, and then it should just come on like this.
Yeah, wait, you're ugly.
This just goes to show you that you definitely need to lower the rear. We're gonna figure out how to do it. But honestly, that just looks so sick. It's like a little Hot Wheel now. Respect. Let's just drive like that.
Okay, let's go.
You probably would too, huh? That looks so nice. Okay. Maybe I am a little proud of you for choosing these wheels. Good job. Especially when you get your lug nuts. But God, see this? I'm not okay. But then again, it's just because we don't have more wood on there. It would be the same exact thing as we did that one. Because remember, when we only had one wood piece, it was really high.
Yeah.
So just wait till we have tires, and then it's gonna actually make a difference. But you can already compared to this, let's go get tires right now. This is the best way to test Stephanie's patience on cars, because dialing in fitment is one of the hardest things to do. It takes a lot of time and a lot of money, and it's something she's gonna have to learn. But yeah, I think they look really sick, and she obviously really likes them. She's coming. Shh. What?
What are you saying?
I wanna say nothing.
Talk shit?
No, I don't talk shit. I'm a good guy. I'm Static Martin.
Oh, I'm Static Nanny.
Hey, I'm Static Martin.
Look at my cream-ass car.
Hey.
I'm gonna tint my windows.
Hold on. You haven't looked. Come here.
Did you tint your windows yet?
No, come here.
What the hell? I don't want to see. Nice. I like it.
So many more betters.
Cream.
Honestly, we didn't even show the backside, but obviously we still need to dial in the rear more. But look at the fronts are perfect. Look at the fitment on the front. That looks they're both the same size, so they're 15x8 plus 0, so they're literally right in the middle, which is cool because it has a little deep dish.
15x8? What are the stocks? 15x4?
14 by like 2.
What we're also gonna do today is spray paint
Ooh.
the engine.
Isn't that like your coils?
Is it?
Didn't I buy that for you?
Did you? Yeah, so we're gonna be coloring it on this metallic purple. So
You guys can guess the color scheme. And no, it's not staying red. We're not gonna reveal the wrap color yet.
we don't even have the wrap yet.
I know, so many pores.
But we're gonna get something.
Like, subscribe, and share.
But we're gonna get something before the wrap. So
The last video I posted, I went to O'Reilly's with Gonzo and Chavez, and I showed you guys that we were gonna actually paint it with that purple, and we do need a base coat still, so we're gonna go buy it. It's gonna get dark soon, but we have a couple of lights here, so we're gonna be painting it probably at night. But full scent for the boys, eh?
So I guess that her car is idling weird. It could be because of this. It doesn't.
That's
no,
yeah.
it only idles weird when
Yeah,
I
'cause
put
it's-
new gas.
No.
Yeah.
Nose.
Yeah, it does.
Nose.
Do you drive my car often?
Yes. Watch.
Check it out.
We're gonna put a
Watch.
clamp on it. Watch.
Watch.
We don't know if it's true, but watch.
You want to
Watch.
turn on my car right now?
Trust me.
Yeah.
Yeah, what?
Yeah. What happened?
It didn't turn on.
You like it, huh?
Just clean.
It just fucking makes it look so much better because it goes with the car.
Like, it blends in. That's what I like.
Oh, so Gonzo,
You guys.
so we have a lot to do today. You need to go pick up pizza. We're gonna go pick up paint.
Paint for what? Bless you.
I hate this clutch, guys. I really do.
Why?
It's squeaky.
Let's hear it. Oh, she stalled.
Oh,
No.
I stole it.
Clutch.
I am pressing the clutch.
Did it just die?
Sorry,
Damn.
Gonzo. So now that we made it here live, we picked up the metallic base coat, and then now we're just gonna get clamps, right,
Yeah.
for the vacuum leak. These ones?
Yeah, that'll work.
Are they the right
It's fine.
size?
It's perfect. We're getting to a Static Works garage.
Take it off.
It's your car.
Yeah, take it off.
It's your car.
Now I want you to take it off.
It's your car.
Shut the fuck up.
This feels stupid.
So this is what we
He
walk
wants to
into.
leave- He wants to leave the valve cover on and paint it on there. Overspray is gonna get everywhere. It's gonna look ugly, and then I'm gonna be like, you know what, Danny? I told you, dumbass. Because
You know why he's saying that? You know why he's saying that?
Because
Why?
you took mine off and you did it, and it came out decent. That's why.
Who did it?
Danny did it.
Who?
Danny.
Stop saying daddy.
I said Danny.
Daddy.
Danny. Did it.
Why do you guys argue more than me and you argue?
Because I want him to do it right, and he doesn't want to do it right.
Alright, then we're taking it off and it leaks oil after that.
That's not my fucking fault.
No,
It's
no,
oil.
no, don't,
That's
no,
the-
don't
he
do
said-
that. Leave it on.
That's the car's fault if it leaks oil, not mine.
Nah, if you're gonna do that, you have to have a gasket.
Okay, now that we took off the valve cover, we're gonna be taping it off and then spraying it down, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like after.
Look at my new shirt.
So
We're
many
coming out with the new shirt on Static Works. They're gonna be this small though.
Ooh, look at,
Who's that for?
Look at your engine.
I don't know.
Your engine, baby. Looking at the cam lobes, they don't look scored or anything, so it looks like they're good. And obviously we can't measure the clearance because we don't have a feeler gauge here. But I mean, everything looks good. There's no oil leaking into the timing belt area. So this side is good, but now we have to get to this side, and the camera is dying. So I'm gonna be charging it for a little bit, and then we'll get back, and hopefully we'll have the valve cover painted. It's pretty dark out now, but we're almost done painting the valve cover, and as you can see, it is really shiny. On some spots, it is a little faded, and we don't know why, because it's supposed to be this color. As you can see, it is not this color. It's literally pink, and that's probably because we did the base coat. But we're gonna do either one more, or we might just set it, because I'm looking at it, and I did a lot of coats already.
It's just bubbling.
So many bads. This is how the car looks now, and it's finally coming together. We do need to do a lot of things to clean it up, so we'll probably do some wire tucking. We did have the idle issue, so now that is fixed. Next step is maintenance, of course, so we're going to be doing a bunch of other things to it to try to prevent a lot of things that are happening, and hopefully we'll be good. We weren't able to end the video yesterday because we forgot to.
It was pretty late.
Yeah, it was pretty late. We were trying to get the Miata out of here. But the things we did yesterday is got a new banner for my E46. We tried on your new wheels.
Tried on the wheels.
And
spray painted the valve cover.
that I fucked up right at the end.
It's okay though.
It's fine.
Okay.
We can redo
It
it.
still looks good.
But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, share. We'll see you guys in the next one.